Dear investors and industrial engineering professionals, this is Mohammed Ashraf, Global Business Consultant. I'm here to explain you about four industrial engineering projects which we are planning to execute in Philippines, Turkey, and Morocco, or any other destination wherever the feasible investors are available. At the same time, for our project, we are doing any kind of investment if you need up to any million to billion. Now, I'm going to explain you about our project. Meantime, before going to the project, I will just explain you about our very important professional engineering consultant who work as a group to explore our project across the world, any part of the country or anywhere, by any time, based on your feasibility with our investment. So, if you are interested, please go through our video. You will get a full idea and explanation about our project. Our most important project which we are going to take place in Philippines, Morocco, and Turkey. Now I am going to introduce you our senior consultant. The first one is Engineer Muhammad. He's a senior engineering consultant who came from Dubai, represent industrial engineering companies from India. The second, Dr. Juma, who is a senior business consultant with wide business network in United States, Europe, Asia and Middle East. Then the third one, Mr. Sami Al-Ghamidi. He has a wide business network in business consultancy services related to government relations and public relations. Now, another one, Mr. Ibrahim, is an industrial engineering consultant. Also, Mr. Umar is real estate consultant with wide network in the Asia, Africa, and European countries. These are our core consultant working for the same projects, especially in the industrial engineering projects across the globe. I'm going to explain our four major projects which we are providing. The first one is cement manufacturing plant. The second one is steel re-rolling mills. Then the third one, sponge iron plant. Then the fourth one, it's very interesting, sugar manufacturing plant. Not to the point that we are providing you two types of funds. If you need investment, we are providing from our side. It's a very important and potential point for your thought. I will introduce myself first. I am Mohammed Ashraf, business consultant from Everything UAE Trading Company. This is Engineer Mohammed in Dubai. Mr. You can speak, Mr. Sami Al-Ghamidi. This gentleman, Mr. Sami Al-Ghamidi, is a public relations consultant. And this is Mr. Umar, he is a real estate consultant. Mr. Ibrahim, he is an engineering consultant also. So we are here almost all with senior people. We are discussing about four different projects. Engineer Muhammad will explain about the project. Basically, we are discussing the cement manufacturing. Okay. Second one is sugar factory, rolling mill plant, and also we have sponge iron. Okay, this you can explain, please.
So as Mr. Ashraf said, we are specialized in the cement manufacturing plant industries. They supply from turnkey supply. That means from design, concept, commissioning, complete they can supply, and they can bring if you have the license and land, then they can make the design. They fabricate the machineries, bring the machinery to the site, erect it.
You mean supply and installation?
Completely.
Supply and installation of the full project.
Full project.
Turnkey project.
Turnkey, also turnkey.
Not the point.
project execution, yeah,
Yes.
from A to Z.
Yes.
A to Z, yeah.
As a turnkey project.
Including concept design plus procuring the material and bringing it, erecting, commissioning, testing, commissioning, and even after commissioning, we can run the project for you on contract basis. Maybe 10 years, 5 years operation of the factory. We have another team, another group
It's
for
like
us.
a BOT, like a BOT.
Yeah, not BOT. BOT means the financing is a separate issue. BOT means we are not financing directly, but we can assist in the finance. So we have a scheme too, but we are not directly, making the factory for us. We make the factory for you and we assist to get finance. We have some schemes for that.
Okay. Suppose after installation of the project,
Yeah.
how many years can you give the operation and maintenance for the project?
No, it will be our first contract is for installation only, the turnkey supply. After that, if you want to give to us for operation, we can make an agreement for 5 years, and it depends on the client. We are ready for until the life of the project. There is no problem. The life of
You
the
can
project is
give 25 years,
yeah,
50
20,
years.
40 years. There is no problem. Our factory normally will stand 40 to 50 years. Okay, so we can. There will be this is a contract basis. I mean, per year or per month we will charge. This is our operating cost. We will bring our technical experts. They will work on the factory. They will produce the product. And
So,
we will
basically, what are the type of project you are supplying?
No, see, we are focusing in the industrial projects. Industrial projects. We are not in the trading or because we can design and manufacture and establish the factory for you. This is our
No, what are the type of? Only for the industrial?
yeah, no, mainly we have different divisions, but our division is mainly in the industry for cement and steel and sugar. Okay. The reason is, see, for any country, the basic requirement is for construction, for development is steel and cement. So, and we have seen that in African countries, especially now, there is a construction boom expected.
Okay.
But at this time, they don't have enough raw materials like the cement and the steel. So what we are proposing, we can make steel factory for you or cement factory for you, utilizing the raw material available there. So at present, what they are doing, they are importing cement from outside, which means while they have the raw material available there. So if they are importing, the cost will be very high because cement is not small, it's a bulky item. So they have to spend a lot of money for the transportation, and so the cost of cement is very high. I was in Chad last 6 months back in January.
In Africa?
Africa. So the event I checked myself. The cost of one bag cement in the market is $12. While the cost of production, if we set up a factory, we can produce the steel and cement for less than $3 per bag. Okay, so there is a big margin.
So, actually why we are choosing these projects, the industrial projects?
The reason is because there is big demand. First of all, there is a big demand, and also a lot of countries I visited, they are all interested. But because if you have the raw materials there, and if you are making the factories there, first of all you can save the foreign exchange, foreign currency. Because otherwise you are spending your money outside. Second thing is, if you have cement available and at reasonable cost, construction will increase. Accordingly, there you will develop a lot of employment in the market. Cement is basically for the development of the country. This is very important.
One of the fast growing industry.
First big demand. And the customer is directly in front of you.
Basic requirement for the infrastructure.
You want to make toilet, you need cement. So like this, for any
Right now we're talking about the cement plants, cement projects.
cement and steel, these are the
Basically, from engineer Mohammed is telling, basically they are focusing on cement plants. So what are the
And steel.
capacities?
capacities we can see, depending on the customer. We can have from 50 tons per day to 5,000 or 6,000 tons per day. We can make
50 tons per day.
yeah. This is very small, but
That means 100,000 bags.
no, 50 means 1,000 bags.
1,000 bags.
20
Up to what time?
Up to 6,000 tons. That means
Dr. Juma, 6,000 tons. 12,000 bags
yeah.
per day.
Yeah, per day. Huge. We can make huge bags.
And what about the sugar?
Sugar also, we can see sugar we are not in big capacity.
Volume.
We make 50 to 500 tons is our range.
Okay.
50 tons is small one, 500 is our bigger capacity. 500 tons of crushing, not tons of cement, as tons of sugar. We estimate the what do you call it, sugar product in the raw material, the crushing, the grain.
Right, sir.
Paint.
The steel, there is two type of. One is rolling mill.
Yes, actually steel, you know, if you have raw material, the hematite, for example, you can make, you can use that. We can make the factory to make sponge iron, from raw material to sponge iron. Then this sponge iron is the raw material for any material. See, like the what do you call?
You mean we can do from the scrap also?
Yeah, scrap. Either you can have sponge iron or scrap.
Scrap.
Yeah.
So from the scrap.
The ore. You start from the ore.
So if we have the technology, we can supply a factory to go from ore to sponge iron. Or if you have scrap available, the scrap is like is either sponge iron or scrap. You can use to make roll mill.
So there is a good possibility, you mean, from the scrap to rolling iron.
Yeah, we can use.
Why these factories?
Yeah.
So very good.
We can use either scrap or sponge iron.
Sponge iron.
If sponge iron is good, sponge iron to manufacture sponge iron is also costly. You need another factory. But if you have scrap available, or we can source scrap also. We have other department for trading. We can supply. If you have a factory, if you want us to supply scrap, we can supply also.
Very good. So approximately what is the cost for each plant, especially for the cement plant?
Yes, actually the cost depends on the capacity generally. But as a thumb rule, see, normally for outside India, we are proposing minimum capacity 500 tons.
500 tons.
So 500 to 6,000, any capacity we can do. So for 500 ton, the cost is about $40 million.
$40 million. Not to the point, eh?
And then 1,500 ton is there. That is for about 85 million, roughly.
This is for the cement plant.
Cement plant.
What about the sugar plant?
Sugar plant 500 ton. It's not very
Mr.
costly.
Gandhi, you got the point. 40 million for one cement plant. This we can do.
That means this 500 ton means you will have 10,000 bags per day.
10,000 bags
Yeah.
per day. Okay. This is a 50 kg.
Yeah, 50 kg bags.
If it is 500 tons, yes.
Sorry?
If it is 500 tons.
Yeah, 500.
This is see, we can do in Saudi Arabia and we can do any part of the world. Okay. Cement plant, steel, steel, like the rolling mill steel, and also sugar plant. This company is doing is from the company itself. Okay, we can do in any part of the world. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask.
In Saudi Arabia, from my experience, cement is already available. Cement factories are enough now.
Yes.
But steel, I understand, it is still there is scope for a steel factory because there's a lot of new projects are expected. I was told that just in the beginning of 2020 there was plan to make a lot of buildings, but now because of the corona, the problem, but I hear there are a lot of projects like the
New project. Yes, it's a new project.
Plus in Riyadh, there is a big project they are announcing. I don't know when it is going
Neom
to come.
project, it is a 500 billion US dollar
yes.
project. Do you have some project inside there?
No. What I am saying is we need a lot of cement and steel. Cement is available here.
That's infrastructure development, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, now approximately how much land is required for a cement plant?
Yeah.
Up to, you can say, 500 metric ton.
No, 500 ton you need about 10 acres.
10 acres of land.
And 1,500. See, normally we have seen the demand from the customers. We were talking to some customers in Africa. They are all interested 1,500 tons capacity
Africa.
plant. Yeah.
This is a developing country.
That is better.
Dr. Juma, it's a developing country.
We have a project now under finalization for Sudan, another one for Rwanda, and Chad. We are in discussion. Because I went visited. I was to go again.
maybe Ghana from Sudan.
Ghana, no, we don't have.
The project, the price, how much?
For one plant?
Yeah.
They are around $40 million.
No. That is 1,000 is bigger. It's 90 million, 85 to 90 million.
$90 million.
Yeah.
Saudi Riyal, US dollar.
Yeah. And this project is in Kasala state in Sudan. We are going to about to finalize this. Because this corona, everything is in hold. Otherwise,
Yes,
it would have been even Rwanda. We already have everything ready. Even the contract. Sorry, Nigeria have some customers.
Why you know Afghan before 3 months?
Yeah.
Nigeria, Morocco, Ghana, more than 7 ambassador consular meetings before 3 months.
Okay. No, Nigeria, we already have a customer and we have somebody working there also. I have a sub-agent, my agent is there. So there are 2 projects under discussion now. And Ghana, we don't have anybody until now. And there was some inquiries, but nobody serious.
Yes, Dr.
I
Jivan?
have connected with some people who are honorary consular or ambassador for their many African countries.
Okay.
I met them in a meeting, and he's from Mira family, and they are having somebody who is investor, and this gentleman is like an ambassador, honorary ambassador for those countries. So we can probably, on this of this, we can approach it.
You need me to come explain the process for them? I'm ready.
We can reach
We
them
can
very,
talk
very
to
easily.
Ashraf, we can come and
So, Engineer Mohammed, how long it will take to set up a plant? Either it is a sugar plant or it is a
sugar
cement.
plant is very fast. You can make it 8 to 10 months.
10
sugar
months.
plant.
And the cement
But cement plant for 600 tons, small one, it will take about 12 months. To 12 to 15 months, depending on the location. Because if the country like Chad is a landlocked country. That means the seaport is maybe in Kenya. From there you have to transport it. So it is very takes lot of time. So 15 months I should say. For 1,500 it will be 20 to 22 months. And for if it is 5,000 it will be 30 months. You can make that.
Suppose we wanted to set up a project in Philippines.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are the normal procedure from the company?
See, for any country, we have to make, first of all, they have to make sure the raw material is available. Raw material, there are 2 analyses. First is the quality. They have to, the geologists will say this is suitable for cement or not.
Okay.
The limestone.
Okay.
And then first you have the quality, okay, then you have to analyze the survey to see the quantity. Because our factory is about 50 years life. So
50 years.
So you should have enough reserve for the 50 years operation. Suppose the raw material finish after 20, 30 years.
So the minimum life is 50 years.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what about the maximum life?
Then it's 40 to say 40, minimum 40 to 50. If you maintain properly 40 to 50 years it will be.
It will happen. So the procedure from the company.
No, that is what I am coming to. See, first of all, you have to make sure you have the raw material available, to analyze the quality and survey the quantity to make sure enough reserve is available for the lifetime of the factory.
Okay.
You have to make a survey. There are experts, the geologists will do that.
Okay.
That is one step one. Second step, you have to procure, you have to buy your land to make the factory. Okay, then license, all the permissions, even the raw material also you have to get the permission from the government because it will be a government property, So you have to get the permission, all the licensing, the local licensing, all to be done by the, plus the land for the factory. That's all.
Okay. From the company side, from the Indian company, what is the procedure for? Suppose we wanted to start now we already have a letter from Philippines.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose now we are giving you the
So
letter.
what we'll do, we'll make sure that they have the raw material and the land. Then if they are ready, we'll give the quotation, technical and commercial offer. They can see if they have an expert, they can check, or they have. Then once they accept our offer, they have to make a contract with us.
The project for government sector and
Also,
the private
either
sector,
government or
both
private,
same?
no problem.
The same procedure?
Both are same, yeah.
No changes?
No change.
Okay.
They have to make a contract with us, and then they have to pay at least. See, there are the payment side will come again, because of financing there is another scheme. So this is the main. Basically, they have to make to enter a turnkey contract with us.
Okay.
Okay. Then we will after they make the contract, we will get the financial scheme. It is synchronized. Then we will start.
So initially we will give you an LOI, then
Yeah.
you will submit as an quotation.
In the LOI, you have to mention what is your status, whether you have the license, land, everything ready, or you are working on it. Then what is your capacity for financing, whether you have capacity or you need our support. All this we mentioned in the LOI. Accordingly, we will.
No, this is okay. We can provide you LOI. Then after that, you will give us the detailed quotation.
Yes.
Okay, with the whole project
Complete,
details, equipments,
If you will have even a pin, it will be mentioned. Complete.
and the duration of the project.
Everything, the cost, the payment terms, and the technical part, the procedure, the process of the plan, everything will be mentioned. Completely. So it will be about 100-page quotation.
Okay, so this is for now you said 10 to 15 months for a cement plant.
Yeah. Small one.
Okay, this is from the inception of the project to the
Yeah,
end of the
once
project.
the contract is signed and the payment is set, ready, then.
So the basic responsibility from the supplier, what are the responsibilities from your side?
Outside, we see once we make a contract, then we'll start we'll come our technical people will come there. We'll see the site. According to the site, we'll make our design. Then we'll start fabricating the machinery, and then we'll ship the machinery to the site. And our technicians will come, set up the factory. Testing commences.
Dr. Juma,
We'll produce 7
10
and
to 15 months. Engineer Mohammed is telling 10 to 15 months for setting up of a cement plant.
If it is small one, if it is bigger one, it will take another 20
Duration is
months, depending on the
acceptable, right?
capacity. Yes.
What is your idea, Mr. Ibrahim?
Cement factory.
Cement
Cement is profitable.
Yes, very profitable. And you have any idea in African countries? Because you have very
Inshallah, I
wide
will
network
share.
in
I will
African.
share.
Also, Mr. Umar, you also have very good network inside Saudi Arabia and outside Saudi Arabia. Make your idea that, you see, from small to big cement plant, we can make.
But very small, we don't recommend to outside.
Yes, because it is not
workable
profitable.
for
Because
us.
our working time is, small plant, there is no profit. But medium and
Yeah, 600 plus is our.
that we can work. So now, if you have any question, you can ask
And
in
even
your
in cement, 1,100 is not big. The big one is 6,000. So 3,000 is a medium capacity. So 1,500 is not high. It is towards the medium. Yeah. So 1,100 is reasonable capacity. I recommend that one because it is easy to.
1,110.
No, 1,500 ton. That is 30,000 bags per
Daily.
bag per day.
Daily.
Yeah.
And again, from the, as you told me before, that the supplier can assist for the funding.
Now financing we have, see, there are 3 options. First option, of course,
Dr. Juma, not this point, because funding.
first of all, see, first option is of course the customer pay. That is not an option. Second is if whether the customer has to make a bank guarantee for the cost of the factory to our bank. Then we'll come. They don't have to pay. Only this is a standby guarantee, which means if the customer did not pay, the bank will
Pay the money.
give them. That is
SBLC you mean?
SBLC. Yes.
SBLC, suppose the volume of the project, the total project cost is $40 million.
Okay.
To what amount we need to give you the
No, it depends,
SBLC?
I think 40 plus the interest because it will be about, suppose you want to pay back in 10 years, then we calculate how much is it will be about 50-55 million, total.
So do you have any specialized banks or any bank can be accepted from
Yeah,
Philippines?
we need, it depends. Actually, I have to check with our bank because our bank will, it should be normally for Africa, we were telling them to have a European bank or confirmed by the European bank.
Yes, European bank.
This is what we were told. Philippines may be
This
different.
is the experience of Dr. Juma last time.
People don't.
Because African banks are not acceptable widely.
The Philippines maybe we have accepted banks. I don't know, Asian banks.
No,
or some-
Asian, no, they are basically connected with American banks.
Yeah, so maybe this I have to check. The Philippines, I don't
So
know.
now from your side, the
Yeah.
initial,
So there is another option for financing also.
Okay.
See, we can give you a bank instead of you giving us guarantee. We can give bank guarantee. to the customer.
Okay.
Okay, that means the supplier.
You will give the bank
Yeah,
guarantee to the
I
supplier.
will give the bank guarantee to the supplier.
Okay.
And when as a supplier, we will give it to the customer. Okay. And then you, in that case, we will be a partner with the because we cannot take the risk. So we will be partner with the minimum 30% share we will take in the bank.
This is good idea. 30% from your side, and you will provide the SBLC.
Guarantee. We will give the guarantee.
Bank guarantee.
Yeah, correct.
Bank guarantee.
Yeah.
This is for
Only thing is after signing the contract you have to give a nominal advance because maybe $100,000, $200,000 you have to pay as advance. Then with that, see what we are doing, we will deposit in the bank 100,000 for example. Then they will give us a guarantee of 1 million. 10% you have to deposit in the bank. Okay. And then with this bank guarantee, you can go to any bank and take loan and pay us. Then after you start production, you pay back the loan and take the guarantee. You will give the investment bank.
Suppose
Yeah.
in that second option, what you said that you will provide the SBLC to the supplier.
Not the customer.
To the customer, but customer will give it to the supplier, of course.
See, customer we are together. We will be partner also.
So you mean the supplier and the SBLC generating company both are same or different?
No, they will be different.
They are different.
The bank will be so what we do, we will the bank will give the guarantee. Our bank will give the guarantee to the company, to the
supplier.
Customer.
Okay.
And this customer with this guarantee, he can go to any bank and take a loan. Because if there is a guarantee, the bank will see. The role of bank is to give money, loan.
Yes.
But they don't give because they are not sure of getting back. So if there is a international bank guaranteeing that we are responsible, if they don't give, we will pay them. That means they will give the guarantee is there, then the bank will give loan. Even loan, we can arrange it. We have the banks ready to give loans also. But we can work together, no problem. Okay. So in that case, there is no. It is not difficult for the customer because we.
So for the fundraising, there is two options.
Yeah.
One option.
SBLC from the customer to the supplier. Another option, bank guarantee from the supplier to the company, to the customer. Yeah.
So these two ways you can make
the second option we will be part because we are giving guarantee to the.
No problem.
That means we will
that
be
means you will
partner.
take that 30% partnership of the project.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a good idea. Now second one, what are the terms and conditions?
Yeah.
Suppose now we are starting a new plant.
Okay.
Or we say a cement plant in Philippines.
Okay.
So the initial terms and conditions.
This is actually
Now, other than the normal
it is supplier and customer relation, in the beginning. And then partner means we'll have partner terms and conditions in the partnership. In any country there will be rules and regulations. Suppose I am a foreign investor investing in Philippines, there will be like Sagia, there will be some arrangement there. So it will be a standard.
Sagia, how is the procedure? When is the procedure now from Sagia?
It's very easy. Established in Saudi Arabia, it's very easy. We give the file to the Sagia and they are study. After that will be 1 month to 2 months. We can finish all the paper.
What is the amount deposit required?
Amount? They take, usually they take 61,000 riyal for establishment for Sagia.
1,000.
Yeah, 61,000 riyal.
There must be some deposit. I think you have to show some deposit. No.
No deposit. Only this amount. And you can establish for Sagia and go to the labor office after that and Zakah and Gosi, all this you can after.
Maybe totally how much?
This depends. يعني maximum to establish for the government not more than 100,000.
This is a company you mean?
Yeah, this is the company established in Saudi Arabia.
This is Muassasa or Sharika?
All the Sharika, the company.
Sharika.
Yeah, when the company want to establish in Saudi Arabia, need to pay to Saudi first. So this is maximum 100,000.
Okay. Engineer Mohammed again, what are the after sales services supplier can provide
Yes,
for a
yeah,
cement plant?
So what we do, when we make the factory and during commissioning stage, if the customer has their own operation team, we will train their team. We will give the training to the operation team of the customer. If we are giving us the contract for the operation, then we will have our staff. Then we will make all the as I told you earlier, in 5 or 10 years operation contract we can make. And then all the spare parts list we will provide in the beginning. We will give 1 year operation spare parts will be already included in our offer. Plus we will provide, we will have what are spare parts we need.
Suppose we need urgent maintenance from your side.
See, normally we recommend what are the urgent items because then it will be kept in your in the beginning itself when before we hand over we will give enough spare parts. Then when there is anything consumed you can replace.
Any technical support we need, suppose then?
Yeah, you see, during construction and during commission we will give a complete, and also what we can do, if you are doing the operation yourself with the customer, then we can help them to find suitable people from India to operate the factory. There are a lot of manpower, highly qualified manpower available there.
So an expert from your side will be kept inside the factory.
We can do that if you want, but normally it is not required. We train them for maybe 5-6 months. We stay there,
They can operate it.
We bring experienced people. That's all.
The supplier, can they obtain scrap for the steel plant?
Yeah, we can source it. No problem. We can find out, and it's a part of trading. We will do it.
You can do it from India or outside?
Maybe from India, from Dubai, depends.
Mr. Ibrahim, you have some idea for the scrap supply? Suppose our plant required in Philippines or Morocco, Turkey, they need some scrap, you can supply? You can do it.
There are.
No, from outside, supply, from any country. It is, I think, Ukraine, there is a big quantity
From India. See, cement and steel. India, because we have more population means more factories. So we are more qualified. India and China are good in cement and steel.
More expert are there.
Yeah, experts. Because we have hundreds of factories, not hundreds, even 50.
Again, another question, Engineer Mohammed. Can the supplier assist to procure consumables?
Of course, when you see what happens is when you make the factory, okay, raw materials are available local, but there are some consumables required for the coal, for example. So power we have two options: either you can use diesel or coal. If we need coal, we can. There are sources we can help. We can do also. We have a trading division. You can try yourself directly, or if you want us to involve, we can do. It's optional.
There is no problem.
There are some other consumables also in the factory. There are some replacement items required like the shoes, etc. It can be supplied. It's not a problem. We are in this cement items for cement or steel.
There is no problem.
No problem.
So, Dr. Juma, you have something to ask?
That's clear. Usually, these things are government sponsored.
Yeah.
Sometimes the third world countries, they want to build up their infrastructure, or they want to build something like an African country. They will provide everything, all facilities, the land and
From experience, the governments they are not good enough to, so they always refer to private. That is why we introduce this financial scheme. We have a what you call influential as a local partner. We can do the finance.
you need to encourage the people, and the things are done in the private.
Government also will come, but whichever government will take a lot of time. See, most of the governments in Africa, they are not interested in the country. They have only their own interest.
Suppose we selected a land. Does it require your supplier to visit? And
No.
No need any facility from your side.
You need this much area, that's it. And the raw material quality, you go to any what you call geological, geotechnical laboratories, they will analyze and give. But we don't have to see anything.
So do you have any special point to be the land is so and so something like
No,
that?
nothing.
Any land can be.
Any-
There is offshore or onshore differences are
No
there?
problem. Very well.
It can be near the offshore.
Near the offshore is better if you want, if you have plan to export. So it is nearer to sea is better. But normally we recommend near to the raw material.
Near the raw
Because raw material is
No,
heavy.
that
You
is
cannot transport.
understandable. But there is no problem for offshore, always coming the salty in
But
something
normally, that is another environmental in some countries. There will be rules. And so it is better to keep away from the residential area. That's all.
like residential area because of air pollution.
Yeah, pollution. Yeah, that's all. That is another problem.
No other problem.
Yes.
The size of the land, no planning to.
Yeah, minimum if it is 600 tons, we need about 10 acres. But if it is 1,500, it will be about 15
How
acres.
much meter is the number?
How much meter?
Because
No problem. Then we can do square meter. You can make 1 million, 2 million square meter area.
It's available.
Yes. 1 million square meter is very simple.
especially the industry will be not in the city, remote area. The city will be very cheap.
Design,
Not Jeddah, only here in Jeddah. Actually, maybe it's
Like north or south.
Now you see, Mr. Gandhi, the point here, this company, they have two type of financing scheme for the project. It's very profitable for us.
If you are interested to make the steel factory, I recommend steel because cement we have a lot of factories. Cement is not steel. Steel is now you can buy the raw material from Saudi and then you can make the rods, the rolling mill to make the steel rods for the construction. 5 mm, 6 mm, up to 32 mm. We can make the rod and it's a good business. It is going to, now if you start now to make a factory, it will take about 10 to 15 months. By the time the situation is going to change. We are expecting, because the country cannot go like this without any projects. So they are going to introduce a lot of projects in the private and government sector. So that will be
So according to your view or your research,
Yeah.
the steel plant is more profitable in Saudi
not
Arabia.
profitable the demand because the cement is already available. You cannot market the cement.
But still some part of Europe and
Europe, okay, I'm talking about
Asia.
some Saudi Arabia, Kingdom.
You can find a lot of.
Yeah, there are a lot of
In
cement
Saudi
factories.
Arabia, you mean?
Yeah.
I think it's better. I agree. Because I follow the marketing. Now the cement, I think it's full here.
Yeah, it's good because see when there was a construction boom, a lot of cement factories came. Now there is no construction, so all factories are now making cement and flooding the market. But that is why I'm talking about Saudi Arabia. And there was a time when they banned export of cement, but now they say you can export now.
Yes.
Before it was not allowed. So that is the situation. But still, there is a scope. Still there is a scope.
So this steel should be equal to the standard of Sabiq steel.
No, from Sabiq we will take the raw material and then we make the, Sabiq is making the sponge iron basically.
But they have also a ruling in this
I know they are all
regard.
they are also the same standard we will make.
We can make the same standard.
Standard is same.
So you can get the same standard.
Yeah, standard specification is same for all.
It's for the government, should be specification according to the
We have Hidada.
Yeah, Hidada, a lot of
I hear from the market they say every time the Sabiq number one. Why? If they are the same, Ar-Rashidi or Sabiq. The people, the customer, they are like Sabiq more than Rashidi or the other.
No, this is just brand. So
Maybe because
now
of
for the
that.
brand.
That is Sabiq steel also very good quality.
Yeah,
So we can do the same quality.
same quality. It is the same. Same raw material, same quality.
You can do the same in Saudi Arabia also. Other than now we are exploring to the outside Saudi Arabia, like this Philippines, Morocco, Turkey. These countries we have.
African countries, even if you have contracts, I feel and I foresee big boom in Africa. now. Because you see, the Middle East is almost saturated now. So now all the focus is going to be Africa because they have all the resources there. So they don't have money, but they have minerals, a lot of minerals are there. So there is like here petrol, there are gold, aluminium, all the raw materials are available there. So there are a lot of
So according to your research, which are the countries from Africa is more boosting or more feasible for us?
See, generally there is no cement factory. There is all the countries. The cement and steel is demand is there.
Required.
But some countries there are political problems. So we want to avoid that, like Congo and all. It's difficult to
Even
go.
in Somalia also facing some problems.
Somalia, it is there are some areas, but Somaliland is okay.
That is okay.
Somalia also Puntland I hear is better, but the Mogadishu area there is a problem. So this depends.
So Somalian land, we can make the more feasibility says it is a cement factory or
Both
sugar plant.
Sugar, all three, because in Somalia the land is the soil is good, so there are a lot of sugar cane. So vegetarian, so that means
You mean
can make
Somalian
sugar.
land?
Yeah, I visited them.
Somalian
Yeah,
land.
I went to both Somalia also. I went to Puntland, I went to Agisa.
So in simple, can you just explain the all steps to plant in association with the supplier?
Okay, now for first of all, as I told you, you have to identify the raw material, either limestone for hematite, for the steel, or for sugar cane, whichever. So then once you have the raw material, for example, let me focus on the cement now to explain. So if you have the limestone available, you have to analyze and see the quality of the limestone, whether it is suitable to make cement or not. Because all limestone you cannot make cement. Some limestone is very too much silica inside, means you cannot produce cement again. So you have to analyze and see. If you once you give the lab, if they can recommend you, or you can send to us, we can tell you whether it is good for cement or not. And once the raw material, the quality is okay, then you have to survey. Maybe it is hill, you have to survey and find out how many million tons are available in the reserve. That the geologists will do that. Once the raw material part is finished, then you have to make the land for the factory, and then license, complete the documentation for the license, whatever license locally required. Some maybe industrial license, and then the permissions from different departments. We don't know the industry department, environmental. So all this, some countries.
You mean the legal documents?
Document, yeah.
Okay.
See, for example, we have a project in Zambia, which is now 6 months delayed because of the environmental clearance. Everything is ready, but there is not. But then this corona problem came, nobody can travel. So the environmental clearance is important. So this is the once you are when this is are ready, then you give us the inquiry, we will give quotation, we will decide what capacity and negotiate the price and all, then we'll make a contract and then start.
So after the inception of the project, 10 to 15 when the project will be finished.
Yeah. Then after commissioning, there are, as I told you, there are two options. Since if we are involved, we will take up the operation also. There is the contract for that. We will make the operation. We can operate it for 5, 10, 15, whatever time period. Actually, what we will do, we will bring some people from India. Otherwise, we will be using local staff only. Semi-skilled and unskilled, we will use local. And even semi-skilled, unskilled, we can train them to make semi-skilled because there are, this is routine work. The same work means in one year they will experience it. There is no need to give. So
again, I have one more doubt. The sponge iron and rolling mill, these are
two factories.
two different factories or all single factory?
No, rolling mill is one factory and sponge iron is another factory.
So both of them are different.
Yeah, both are
So
different.
as you said now, the $40 million for one plant,
Yeah.
this will come both or only one?
No, that is what 40 million is for cement, no? For
Only for cement.
Yeah.
So what will be the estimated cost
Yeah. For
for a steel rolling mill plus sponge iron?
I have a price for 500,000 tons per year,
Okay.
500,000 tons per year. That is about 60 million. 60.
60 million USD.
Yeah, USD.
This is including the
everything.
sponge and the rolling mill.
No sponge iron. Only rolling mill.
So both of them are.
No, for the other one I don't know the price.
See,
More
suppose
costly.
now we have one steel
no?
plant.
Yeah.
We will have scrap. Also, we will have the byproduct.
Oh, yeah, the raw material.
Raw material.
Yeah. If you have raw material, then we can. I can give you the price, but I don't know right now the price for the to make 100,000 tons. What do you call? From hematite, from raw material to the iron ore is the raw material. Iron ore to the sponge iron. I can give the price. Right now. I
So
don't know.
this we can, but at the same time we can do in one plant both of them.
But generally, see, since a lot of scrap is available in the world, so people are not going for the sponge iron, because it's more costly. Sponge iron prices, to make sponge iron, you have to invest more money. So normally the scrap is used to make the, or you buy the sponge iron from local market, like the Sabik, they are supplying sponge iron. So instead of making your own plant, it's not worth it. It's not feasible. Except if you are in a remote area like Chad. I went to Chad in Central Africa.
Okay.
There they have the iron ore, and because to bring the scrap is very costly for them, then we recommend. So that, generally the rolling mill is from scrap to the products. That is much better.
Okay. Now, other than this whole discussion, your supplier, does they require any kind of legal agreement for the plant?
No, see, there will be an agreement with it is legal. The agreement is legal.
So there will be the client and the
No,
supplier
as a
will be a
supplier,
legal
yeah,
agreement.
we are a supplier and you are the client, you are buying, but there is a contract.
This will be an agreement. So now, Dr. Juma, you have
And
any
for if you have a partner, there will be a company registration. We will be a partner in the company. So it will be registered in the country.
So there is, suppose now we have a supplier and the plant owner.
Yeah.
Meantime, we have other 2-3 investors also. So how can you make the agreement?
All investors will be one part of a company. It's a partnership. Okay, suppose you want 30%, for example, we are taking. The other remaining 70, you need 4 people. Because all 4 plus 1, 5 people will be the partners in the company. You're making registering a company with partners, different partners. That's
Okay. So you have any more questions? Mr. Ibrahim, for the cement, we have now, according to engineer Mohammed, we can make 4 different types of land. So any part of the world, not only in Saudi Arabia or not only in India.
Each per ton, how much is
Sorry?
expensive?
Sorry?
Each per ton
Yeah.
cement factory.
Yeah.
How much expensive? Each ton.
Per ton, cost of production. Cost of production is about $60.
This is a very good question.
Yeah, I know. This is what I told you. The bag is $3. That means in between is $60.
Or second, you have provided another countries, out of country.
But one thing,
Okay,
one more thing. See, this cost actually depends on the country also. Some of the, because main thing is the raw material is there plus power. Some areas, here Saudi Arabia is very cheap because of petrol, the power is cheap. But in Africa it is very costly.
Very expensive.
Then labor is okay. We can. It's not. But the main issue is the raw material and the power plant. So that means the cost is there. So for example, this is a company we are making Nigeria. See, there are different partners. One partner. See, and then this is my son.
Yes,
So like this, very good. This is the company.
So you
all
mean
the partners will make a
yes, your question please. Again.
So,
My question is, you provide another countries or abroad. For example, in Africa, in Europe,
okay.
which made is the machineries you are providing.
See, we are, about 75% of the machinery is made in India. And there are some machineries, because for any factory, there are, for example, if you want to make a car, you will have the engine. You are not, nobody is making the engine. You will buy. Like this, we have a lot of motors. We will be buying from motor specialized suppliers. Okay, we are fabricating there are a lot of components which we have to make in our factory and bring it and assemble. But equipment like a conveyor, the motors, all we will buy from Siemens or some Indian companies, but with European
Affiliations.
Yeah, because it's a bigger, it is not what we cannot do small things in a way, and that is our.
This means basically this is Indian material,
Yeah.
but some other important pieces will take from different
Yeah,
countries. So now you have more questions, Mr. Ibrahim? Okay. Mr. Ibrahim, you have any questions? You will take care. Okay. Mr. Omar will focus this one now.
Okay.
If there is any possibility for any kind of plan,
See what we are doing in the beginning. We have to, before you decide, you have to make a feasibility report, feasibility study. How is that is very important because see this is big investment. It is not just trading. So suppose you are trading somebody, you can make the material, but you have to invest and make a factory. Means it is a big investment, and so the product if you cannot sell, it is very risky.
the feasibility study from a globalized company or any company can do that.
But you have to make sure that you can sell it. If you are sure, no need to feasibility report. But otherwise, you have to make sure that if you manufacture, what is the present situation, what is the future, and how much is the price here. And also, you have to see the cost wise also. What price? Suppose you are getting the cement here. For example, you are getting at $15, 15 riyal per bag. So even if you are making $13 cost, then it is not worth. Because why it is the profit is there, but in the meantime, if you make in Africa, it is very profitable. So it depends. So you can decide where you can make. Here also it is production also is cheap because the power is cheap. Maybe here the cost of production will be maybe $40, even less than that, because power is
Plan to buy land or rent.
no, you can have land, you can own the land, or you can even have on lease for 100 years, 50 years on lease. That's all okay. But you should have a strong contract because you see what happens. One of our project, what happened, we made a contract with one guy for the land, not be our customer. So after that, this guy died. One of the son got this land, and then he said, I want this land back. So we don't want any problem. So
solid agreement should be
the
there.
agreement must be for the even the next generation should not demand it.
So we can find from the government for a long time.
The government leasing is good. Yes.
I think it's cheap.
Yeah. I heard it is in the Tabuk area. Somebody was telling me. I was discussing with somebody for steel plant here. So he said in Tabuk area they have this available. Land is available.
Also here in Jeddah, like when you go to Rabik, you can find also land
Rabik,
from
Rabik,
Spanish road.
Yeah.
The government land. You can find cheap. All big cities are big industrial.
But make a study over the visibility, the still what is the demand here, and then it is okay, we can do it.
The government is
Yeah. I think very $1, $1 real per
Yes. This is one real. It is good now.
per year. Per meter.
Yes.
The government will support for the festival.
Your voice is not coming, Dr. John.
Said it's the government normally encourages. That's why they develop so many industrial zones, and they give at least long-term lease 100 years, up to 100 years.
So any more questions?
9 year and 10.
Do you have any questions? Okay. Mr. Gandhi, you have any questions? Dr. Juma, you have any questions? So now we are going to wind up this session. Okay. So thank you so much, Engineer Muhammad, for coming and attending with us for this very
My pleasure. It's
meeting.
my business.
Yes, we will come back to you with the further information. All the very senior important consultant
Yes.
with the years of experience in the global market.
See, we can supply anywhere in the world. So either in the Kingdom, or in Africa, or in Europe, in Asia, wherever, even the Far East, or even the American continent. If you wherever you have contact,
It
you
is
can.
very good news, and we are also very happy.
And this products are having demand in anywhere in the world. Maybe there are some areas now the demand is less because of the construction, but generally this has demand everywhere.
And we are again, to tell you, we are very happy because you have two options which is very feasible for us regarding the
Financing.
investment. Financing all over the world is very complicated. Dr. Juma is a senior consultant only for investment from different countries.
Yeah, you see how you see our proposal of the financing.
he is also now this is according to my view, this is a very feasible project. We can launch it anywhere, more feasible places according to our network. And this financing and fundraising, we can again need to discuss with you because most of our clients they need investment.
Yeah, for example, suppose we have 100 ton project, 100 million dollars. When we finance, we will take 110 million because 10 million is required to deposit, and then this will be refundable. When we give the money back, the deposit.
For getting an SBLC, how long it will take?
SBLC, we are not giving SBLC, the customer will give SBLC.
Yes, customer.
SBLC is not a problem. If you have good relationship with the bank, then the bank, otherwise the bank will ask for collateral. So it is a responsibility for them. So the giving when the SBLC is not a big job. It is one bill. But they will not give the SBLC unless you have a good deposit in the bank, or they will take for collateral. Suppose 100 million means they will ask for $100 million value material in their name. It is not easy.
So, thank you for everyone for attending this very nice meeting. Okay, Mr. Remo, Mr. Ramadi, Dr. Juma, Mr. Ibrahim, and Engineer Samuel. Yes, Mr. Samuel Ramadi. For everyone, thank you so much for attending the meeting. Now we are expecting something feedback from your side. You have a very good project in front of you with the fundraising. It's very complicated subject we are facing several times. Now, we are going to wind up. Since and then, still stay tuned for our next project. We will send you soon our two major important and potential projects, solar energy manufacturing plant, then iconic mixed land development projects. These are coming very soon. So, now, suppose you need further clarification or you want to contact us, see the description box below. Till then, bye.